This is probably my favorite video of the series, and it's a great quote. I don't want to mess this up, so I'm going to read it to you because I think we have to read it. Deceleration of appreciation, right? So like slowing down appreciation is not the same thing as depreciation. Think of it as like a car going up a hill. Right? You're going 65, you're still going up the hill, but now you're going 50. Then 35. Are you still in the same spot or you keep going up? You're going to keep going up. That is what's currently going on in the real estate market. We're just not going up as fast. Now on the next slide, you can see over the years of history here, where all the grays, 4.92 average, right, over 42-year average. So 5% over 42 years is what basically has happened. You had your 4 years, right, with the Great Recession in the red, and then you had your crazy years in 2021, 2022, and then you have 2023 coming, which is gonna be a little bit of a gray year too. At the end of the day, what you're seeing here is this. The reality of real estate is one of the best long-term investments, and there's no sign that we're going to see depreciation currently this year. And the next few years, we're expecting to see some good growth. Not amazing like we saw in 21, 22, but some good, steady growth. As always, I'll bring the facts, I'll bring the data. You just got to bring the decision.